How many minutes has it been?
I don't know. I don't think she's getting it.
You getting face stuff? Hello?
I can't find any pink stuff.
You thought I was serious about that?
Does that work?
Yeah, did you see it? What are those? What are they?
More thing?
They make me want to throw up looking at them.
That's cute. Go for it, Scott. You can make a nice
There's a penis
Oh, Jordan.
and some eyes
What?
and
Did you put a hot dog
some
in?
balls
Whoa! Did you put a hot
some
dog in?
carrots.
Two balls. A couple of figs?
She got a hot dog.
Put the fig. Oh, she did?
We are professionals. We put hot dogs in our snowman.
Did you put a hot dog in there? Let's put a hot dog on it. And Jordan, take a picture of it with those two little figs for nuts.
Let's use those as balls and wieners.
You guys are crude.
Oh, I forgot.
What kind of balls are those?
They're figs.
They're regular sized ones.
No, no, no. It's missing one. It's missing one. I'm not gonna put it in.
Take a whiz.
Oh man. There's the beak.
Can I kick it?
That's just one arm. That's just one stuffed arm. You just kicked his wiener off. You kicked him in the wiener?
That's very offensive.
Did you get his one arm? Where'd it go? Oh man, I feel for that guy. There you go. No.
Dad, it can't have a wiener!
Hey, no kicking of the weenus.
Dad, that is so bad.
It's very fun. That was funny.
She did?
That's why she did it. She was trying to be as silly as you.
She was probably in there laughing
She was
to
that's why she's
herself.
knocking on the window, laughing so hard. Oh, look at there, coming to take a picture. Jordan's like, take off its penis.
What is that?
Make the penis its mouth. Make the
No, those need to be the eyes.
Yeah, can you curl it? Cut it with your knife first. Cut a hole.
Yeah, those need to be the eyes. Replace the carrots with the ears. Or the carrots.
Kind of alienish. Predator. Ooh, I almost fell.
The carrots.
I kind of hate to hold this thing after I figured out what it was.
It's really high.
We need some soft snow around it, guys.
Jordan, can you see me in the back?
Oh, shit.
Sure. I need my umbrella.
Hello.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the
Get
ground.
out of the arm socket.
Move now, Naomi. Now put this one. Oh yeah, you're gonna.
You could make those eyebrows.
A little bit
You
over
could
this
make
other
those
way.
eyebrows.
Other way. Right
Where's the wiener?
There. There. Or does it need to come down? That's good. That's good.
Where's the wiener?
Where is the wiener? Got it in my hands. Got that nice cold, slippery wiener.
Does it fit in that?
Ah, there you go. Now it's just ice.
He's not really smiling.
That looks. Look, stand back. That actually looks nice.
And then we can use this as a,
Nipple.
yeah. There we
Bite
go.
it in half. And then you get two nippies.
All right. Oh, that's a picture. Could you get a picture so he can send something to?
Yeah, get that ladder out of the way.
Charity.
That carrot looks so out of place.
It looks like Naomi's collar.
Naomi's a giant. You can't even see the ladder in it. Naomi is just as tall as this snowman. And this snowman
It makes the snowman look
It's
small.
7
though.
feet tall. Yeah, get
Down on the ground.
out of here.
I'm actually really comfortable.
Get out of here. Should I zoom in on your face, Scott?
Huh?
Hello and welcome to the Neerman family photo.
It's like this.
Yeah, go ahead and take that carrot out. It's not working.
Jordan's only
Push that one in so far.
Now it just looks like a crazy sideways chicken.
But you look too
Like a
low
turkey.
though.
He looks like an angry giant.
They look really low.
Good.
Oh, okay, pants on the ground.
What is this? Our paper.
Somebody should slip and fall.
Are we gonna dance around the snowman?
It looks like it says Viagra on it, but it says Vigoro on it or something.
Figaro, Figaro.
You should spin it, Scott, so we don't see the. Oh, Jordan's going down. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, but he's clog free.
Yeah, he got the little musician's little
Put it in facing down. They looked at it, Dad.
What do you think of the chin?
Yay! Yay!
nothing like a chin.
Yay!
Like my hairs
Sorry.
Yay!
are... This is the coolest snowman ever. I need to go get my camera.
And the creator. The creator, Scott.
I can sculpt in snow. I'm sculpting in the snow. I'm a sculptor.
What are you doing, Scott?
I'm sculpting a snowman in the snow.
But it's soft, Daddy. It's soft. But you're killing it, son.
God's not on my mustache.
Yeah, let me lick it off. Pants on the ground.
I don't know, stick your tongue.
I
hate you! That's wet.
Oh no, don't hurt him.
You chopped his nose off! You
Pants on the ground.
How was it? Was it like this?
The wide part, yeah, and the bottom is in the top.
This part?
I can't remember.
I think it was this
No, I think it was the other way around. That looks even better.
part. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it?
It looks better because it goes to white. Oh, but it's always, his nose is always wider at the top. I think that's why I did it.
Doesn't fit on that
You're going to have to pack it back down. Are you getting cold?
one. Yeah, I think we're about done.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's 11 at night, and I had to videotape this. It's just so beautiful. I'm really bad at videotaping. Look at the trees. I'm in shorts and not wearing shoes, by the way, so I'm pretty cold. But it's just beautiful. Our snowman collapsed. Holy crap. I think a tree just fell. Well, that's it. I gotta go inside.